What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. Y'all got some more hot clearance items from Walmart. Walgreens was right next door, so I was like, why not go over there, check out what they got. Looked up and found some items over there too. So basically this video is just showing y'all some clearance items I ran across, and y'all need to keep y'all eyes peeled for these clearance items as well, because I noticed in Walgreens some items was not listed. They didn't have the sticker up, nothing. I just remembered from what I saw um that it was a clearance item, and sure enough it was. The manager was even shocked when she scanned it, and I'm like, you need to get your store together if you don't know what clearance you got on going on in the store. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. Ooh, my hair look a mess. But y'all, you don't have to look good to coupon. Plus, it's absolutely free. All you need is a little gas in your car, some money in your pocket, and some coupons, and you too could achieve the clearance items. Even if you're getting them for your household, building a stockpile, anybody can coupon. So let's get into these deals, and enough with my rambling. Okay, y'all, here are some items I picked up from a Walmart neighborhood place. And that's what I meant to tell y'all too. Be on the lookout at the neighborhood places, Walmart neighborhood places that is, for laundry clearance items, because they mark theirs down, I think, after the Walmart stores. So you still should be able to find some products, because I know if I'm still finding these products, y'all can too. So starting off with the all with Oxy, it's 118 ounces. It was $7, and I got back $4 Walmart cash. And yes, y'all, I meant to tell you, whenever you scan an item in your Walmart app, make sure you click on it, scroll down to see if you have any Walmart cash, because soon as you ring that item up, that cash goes on your Walmart account, and you can use it towards online purchases or in-store purchases at the U-Scan. So basically, I got $4 Walmart cash back for this, making this big all $3, y'all. Final price $3, and these are easily $17 at Family Dollar. I know, because I had got one I think a week or so ago, and used a couple of coupons, plus got money back on Ibotta for purchasing this. So, yeah, y'all. Plus, I'm about to check Ibotta's Walmart section to see if I can get more money back for this, making trying to, get this for free. Then on the great value detergents, and I think these are trying to mimic Tide because of the orange color, but it is the 25 loads original. It was $1.50. I got two of those. Didn't want to be greedy, but yeah, I got two of them at $1.50. Then got some more of the 42 count pods. They were $2.50. And like I said, they are trying to mimic Tide when it comes to these products, based off of the color. Then we have this Tide Clean Breeze. It is 80 ounces, and it was $10. And if you bought two of these, you would get back $5 Walmart cash. But I didn't get two, I just got one. Then y'all, on the big thing of Tide, they had it was the metals something metals, spring metals or something. It was the purple one that looks like this, but it's the big one that you carry out. It was $5 on clearance. Shelf was empty. I was heated. Like, only if I came early. I did get to the store at 6, which was early, but I'm talking about earlier in the week or last week or whenever they marked it down to $5. I wish I was there because those jugs are 20 something dollars at stores. Quit playing. So these are the Walmart items. I got a couple more items clearance from Walmart that I want to show y'all. Then we are gonna hop into these Walgreens clearance items. Okay, y'all. Last two items at Walmart would be this Bounty napkins. They were $2.50 on sale, and it is the 200 count Bounty napkins. $2.50. Then by the Easter stuff, they had these green solo paper cups, which are good plastic paper cups, whatever you want to call them, and they are the squared ones, like where they look like this at the bottom, and they have solo written and the little dots or whatever. $2, y'all. Yes, $2, and this is 30 cups. So, like I said, be on the lookout for some of these items at your Walmart neighborhood market to see if you can find any on clearance. Now, let's get into the Walgreens clearance deals. And not everything I'm going to show y'all Walgreens is clearance, but I will be transparent with y'all and let y'all know. So, let's get into those deals. Okay, y'all, here are the little bit of items I got from Walgreens. Didn't do too much today. Just was really looking to do some, get some clearance items. Didn't feel like doing no deals for real. But on this Persil, it's the small one. What is it? The 34 ounce. It was $5.99. We have $2 coming off, making it $3.99. Then on the Airwick Wet Warmer, I had a $3 digital coupon coming off for this. So this was $5.49. $3 came off, making it $2.49. Then on the Shea Moisture, and this is what was on sale. But like I said, it wasn't tagged in the store. But I remember seeing some people say these was on clearance, and she scanned it. Sure enough, y'all, these were $1.49, and y'all know these are like $12 and $13, and it's the African black soap calm and clearing sugar scrub. So two of them was $2.98. I didn't see no coupons in the app. Then lastly is the Reynolds wrap, and it's the 30 square feet. It was $2.29. And I wanted to snatch up all of these Reynolds wrap, but I was like $2.29 adds up quick, so let me not get those. Because I just had got some the other day, but it was not on sale. No coupons. These barely have coupons, anything for them. So if you see them on clearance, go ahead and snatch them up. And y'all, I hope y'all like this video. It's the end. So like, comment, share, subscribe, because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I'm out, y'all. Peace.